Transformation.
See you guys.
Hey guys. Wagwan.
Hey guys, what's up?
Today, right? Cass actually getting ready for another gig, you know? Or other gig, put it away there. You see me? So, as they say, you know, we always dip on the grind. You know what I mean? But of course, you know, we got you guys, you know, we always try to make the sacrifice to get these vids out, you know? Because we know you guys, you know, been craving our content, and, you know, we try our best to satisfy you guys basically. You know, so welcome to another video, guys. Alright. Let's say Cass is getting ready for work, you know, so nothing. Come now. Yes. What?
My Gmail password.
I soon start it out for you.
No, but I don't know nothing now, Jaden. Just go and watch where
Gmail
you watch.
pass. I soon come to you. I soon come.
Everybody to download something now.
Every minute you might download something else on that tablet.
So guys, we're getting ready to go out, and Adrian thought it would be cute. I didn't think it would be cute.
What are you doing it?
Yes, okay, but it's fine. We're getting ready to go out, and we're just taking you guys along the process, you know. This is the quick routine because we're trying to get this done quickly.
Yeah. I know a lot of the ladies, you know, been requesting for Cass to like show you guys how how she go about her thing, you know?
My hair and stuff like that.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do is Cass will be starting a YouTube channel very soon, guys. So you can definitely look out for that, right? She actually been compiling videos for quite a while now, you know, because you know we want to be consistent on that platform, on that channel as well. So you guys can look out for it. As soon as we create it, guys, we'll share the link and you know, ask you guys to subscribe. Alright?
If I give my stocking cap, guys, it's a working girl, okay? It works. So this platform is not necessarily one that is best suited for the hair and makeup and other stuff that we girls like to do.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to put it on another channel.
Yes.
That hopefully we can, you know, garner support on that channel for that as well.
Yeah, man.
Because I don't know if everybody on this channel would like to see me doing my makeup every day. Or see me doing wigs and, you know?
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
So we have a lot more content coming up for you guys.
Well, I'm gonna try to set this thing here. I think this good. Yeah, this good.
So
yeah.
we're actually in the process of making a lot of content for this channel. I know that a lot of our focus on here is about finance.
Yeah.
You know?
And our family life.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing videos will be coming up for that. In fact, I think by the time you see this video, you would have seen one that we'll do on so what's the topic of that one, babe?
Yeah, basically the rich people practices basically are wealthy people practices, and how people from not so affluent origin can get there, and also if you find yourself in a good position or you can maintain it, good habits that you can use for maintain that, you know. So you guys can definitely look out for that video as well. I'll be putting that out very soon. So guys, actually
any position
ready.
you find yourself in, but yeah, like that, when they say good position, it kinda like, you know, sometimes person will think, oh, I'm not in a good position, but if you're not in a good position, you can get in a good position. It's just about balancing the books, getting it done with. If you can balance the books with $10, you should be able to manage it with $1 million.
True.
Right? And managing it with 10 will help you to get to $1 million. So that's our idea behind it, and we wanted to bring the content because we think that it will be very useful content.
Yeah, boy, people. I want to stress to go through that week here, you know. Actually, Monday or Tuesday we realize no ads now display on the channel. So me I say how I go on. No, actually Wednesday me discover it's no ad now display on the channel. So me I say how I go on. So upon further investigation, them basically, how they put it now, the ads, them stop run the ads pending
They
us.
cancel the ad.
The ads, yeah, pending us verifying our account. So basically, we've been waiting for this YouTube pin. We reached the threshold from way back in May, right? June, July, August, September. We're in October now.
Yeah.
Almost, no, we are 4 months, little over 4 months. We are waiting for this pin. And we can't get it. Me visit the post office so often. So often me I go to the post office and the girl know me good and every time I go, like every week I go probably 2 times for the week. But we go to the post office and me I say, what I go on, nothing for me yet and things. She know my name. Nothing every week. So apparently now Google have a policy where after 4 months of you not verifying your account, then basically stop the ads pending you basically verifying your account. So yeah, we're back with that.
This is Jamaican thing is it usually takes a longer time to get to Jamaica. And yeah, 4 months like no reach we, you know.
Yeah, me know some other Jamaican YouTubers
Drop
who
off out of sea, you know.
probably
it was
drop
on the
off,
edge
like,
and fell off in the ocean.
me know some other Jamaican YouTubers where it take them a while to, but 4 months is a long time though.
Yeah.
You know, so
For them it's
actually
usually
asked
3
them,
months. It's usually like what, 3 months? 3 months, something like that.
So 3-4, I'm never sure, but no, I actually asked them to resend a pin. So another one is supposed to be mailed out to us.
Oh guys,
So I'll look out for that.
we know that a lot of persons on who actually view our content actually want to start their YouTube channel or have already started. So we wanted to do a video basically of what we did because we are newbies, and we wanted to share what we did as well.
Yeah man, so we're gonna do some of those videos as well. You know, we have a lot of video ideas, but of course time, you know, but we'll try our best, guys, so bear with us.
So a video will be coming out that will basically help you guys to know what to do with your money that you made when you're on your grind, right?
Yeah, that is this week, that is in this coming week. Just look out for that, right?
So you should see it before you see this video.
Yeah, so anyway, the Adsense story there, just to say, guys, yeah, doing ads not really run on the channel right now, but we still have to maintain, you know, our presence and continue to give you guys the content that you guys are crave for and thing, you know. So we'll try to do that. So what we actually do now, we just do a while ago.
Foundation, a little bit of highlight and stuff. Contour. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows now. I do really light makeup, not heavy. So yeah, I'm sorry Adrian doesn't want to hear this. He's like what did you just say? That
we always say I do our thing, you know, I say, but
you know, I remember when we during the early part of our, I want to say early, like during our dating period, you know, we'll be going out and probably we're crunch for time or something, so I'll be doing my makeup in the car. And I remember at one point we're like probably on the highway, I think we're going to the country, and I was doing my makeup and Asian like stopped and he was like, so what that? He was like, you know that intriguing look, like I've never actually seen this process before. What the hell are you doing? You know,
guys, you might see me I look forward, you know, by the way. I'm actually looking at the mirror straight at her, right? Because the mirror is like right here, you know. So yeah, I actually I have a better view looking, you know. Basically, you guys view at the same view me I get looking into the mirror. Yeah, so
I know this look messy and scary, but don't worry. Better in a little while.
My God.
I'm using 2 pencils. I didn't get my right shade, and I'm just not a good shopper. So I just don't go back as yet. So I'm just making it work.
Oh, by the way, guys, you can leave in the comments ideas for her channel, the name of her channel. We have something in mind, or at least 2 things in mind, but we want to hear you guys' thoughts as well. You know our name, right? So I don't know how I want to kind it, what kind of idea I don't want to come with, you know, and the most popular one, the most popular responses, we're going to basically choose from that. Probably the top 3, we use one of those, right? So you guys please engage in the video, right? Put the thoughts you have down in the comments, and of course guys, go through and like the ones that you like, you know, make you know what I'm going. You see me?
Yep. So I actually have, I think one of the first videos that we'll be putting out on that platform will be one, it's like a hair challenge that I've been doing. So this year I've been focusing a lot more on my natural hair.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be our first video, hair growth. So I'm doing a challenge. Other persons have been saying, you know, the best way to grow your hair is by low manipulation, but it varies from person to person, I would say. So I am actually doing a challenge to see how effective low manipulation will actually do for a month. So I'm doing no manipulation to my hair. So underneath this, it's been there for a month. Adrian knows what that looks like. Okay, guys.
Yeah. So now get the before and after.
I will not be showing you guys that right now. Adrian knows what that looks like, right, babe?
Yeah.
So low manipulation or no manipulation for a month. And yeah, that's gonna be our video. I'm gonna test the growth that we'll be getting from that.
Yeah.
And what can I watch the TV?
Me soon come.
I watch the TV.
Him so come.
Me have it on football out there, you know, so yeah, right now I'm stressed out. And I never charge him tablet, so
Yes.
anyway.
They do it every day, you guys. You know say I need him tablet, and I always be like, Jaden, charge your tablet in the night. You can't bother him, just put it down at night time. No, him and give him father at night time, and his father not charge it. But he needs to be responsible, so I'm not gonna remind him. He needs to get responsible and be like, Dad, in short, you plug in my tablet. He won't remember. So Jaden has to remind him. And I'm always the one reminding him, so. So you see? Doesn't look that bad now. It doesn't look as scary now, right?
Nah.
Doesn't look as bad now. So this is actually one of the highlights of makeup. Once you do your eyes, girls, it's like if you don't do anything else when you're leaving your house, just try and put a little focus on your eyes, and it looks a lot better.
Alright, actually, I'm gonna leave her. You know, make sure hurry up and finish what she do, because as I said, we have a video for shoot right now, and then she be going to work. Transformation.
Yeah, guys.
Hey, I this to the people.
Yep.
So I'm gonna do the video for you guys right now. You know?
And then after work.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, if you enjoyed the video, please leave us a thumbs up. Alright? And remember to drop the name, the channel name that you guys would like in the comment section.
The channel name for
Cassandra's channel.
Yeah, so remember, if you have any ideas, you know, let us know your idea for the channel name in the comment section, of course, and we'll give all a consideration. So thank you guys for being with us.
Yep.
Remember to really do the notification. Remember to click that post notification bell.
Yeah, guys.
Because that will let you know every time we post a video.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.